Do you have problems when you read Spanish language? I'm here to teach you how to read the vowels in Spanish. The Spanish language is not difficult as the people think. There are many English words that they are very similar to Spanish language. Here I show you some examples.
Popular?
Popular,
Capital.
capital,
Radio.
radio,
Animal.
animal,
Hotel.
hotel. Today I think it's a good idea to teach you how to read the vowels. The first vowel or the first letter is the letter A. The letter A is pronounced as A, as in sweet mystery, or as in father. Yeah, remember, is the sound A. A. Remember, we always read A when we see the letter A. So we read A. A. So, one question. How would you read this word in Spanish? Ana. Well done. Ana. Well done. The second vowel is the letter E, and we say E when we see the letter E, and we always pronounce E. We don't pronounce A. We pronounce E as pet, café, or set. Remember, always when we see the letter E, we read E, not A. We read E, 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 E. So, one question. How will you read this word in Spanish? Verde. Well done. Verde. Because the letter E is always E. E. Well done. The third vowel is the letter I, and we always pronounce E as beat, machine. E. So, one question. How would you read this word in Spanish? Sí. Sí. Well done. Sí. The penultimate vowel is the letter O, and is always pronounced O, as in for. Remember, in Spanish language, if we say O, like you say in English, O is an O and a U together. O, they are two different sounds. So, letter O is O. 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 Well done. So, how will you say this word in Spanish language? Oso. Oso. Well done. And the last one vowel is the letter U, and in Spanish language is pronounced U, 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 as a monkey, U, 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 as in cool, pool, rule, U. Yeah? So, according to this rule, how will you read this word in Spanish? Tú. Well done. Tú. So, now we are going to remember the sound of the vowels. So, the letter A, A, as sweet mystery. A. Well done. The letter E is always E, as pet or set. E. Yes. Well done. The letter I is always E, as machine. E. Well done. The letter O is always O, as for. O. And the last one is the letter U, and is always U. For example, as in rule. As a monkey. Well done. So, how would you read the following words? Sol, mes, fin, pie, té, pan, sal, flor, rol, pez, no, sí, tú, yo. Well done! Thanks for watching me. If you want to know more, follow me on my channel, and I will show you more rules about reading and math vocabulary. However, if you are interested about doing your own sentences, contact with me on this email that is over here, because I can show you how to speak. But on my channel, I will show you much vocabulary. So thanks for everything, and I will see you. Thank you. Bye.